Welcome back to Turbomechanics. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is poised to be one of Toyota's most eagerly anticipated revisions in the compact crossover segment, furthering the brand's approach of integrating practicality with contemporary design and efficient performance. Situated between the compact Toyota Yaris Cross and the larger RAV4, the Corolla Cross occupies an essential niche for consumers seeking an SUV that is simple to operate, cost-effective to maintain, and equipped with a range of practical features for daily use. As competition in this segment becomes increasingly fierce, the 2026 model advances with updated styling, enhanced comfort, and a more sophisticated array of technologies designed to maintain the Corolla Cross's position as a preferred option in markets around the globe. Toyota enhances the exterior design with more defined lines and a more commanding visual presence. The front fascia features a more sculpted design, integrating a broader grille pattern outlined by slimmer LED headlamps extending toward the fenders. These headlamps incorporate redesigned daytime running light signatures that enhance the vehicle's premium and distinctive appearance. The bumper features a streamlined lower air intake and redesigned fog light housings, contributing to an aerodynamic profile that improves overall efficiency. Along the sides, the body features more refined contouring with a subtly more athletic stance, enhanced by updated wheel designs spanning from 17 to 19 inches depending on the trim level. The rear features redesigned LED taillights, a more pronounced tailgate panel, and a discreetly extended roof spoiler that enhances aerodynamic performance. Toyota is anticipated to introduce new color options, including richer metallic shades and several dual-tone combinations that enhance visual appeal for more style-conscious customers. Inside, the 2026 Corolla Cross highlights comfort, straightforwardness, and contemporary connectivity. The dashboard features a more horizontal configuration that imparts an expansive impression, anchored by a larger central display that incorporates Toyota's latest infotainment software. The display provides wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, advanced navigation graphics, and superior responsiveness. Materials have been refined imperceptibly, featuring soft touch panels strategically positioned in high contact zones, while the seats offer enhanced cushioning and support for extended journeys. Rear passengers will benefit from enhanced legroom and marginally reclined seat angles, resulting in a more comfortable and welcoming cabin environment. Storage compartments are thoughtfully arranged, ranging from door pouches to a more substantial center console, and the cargo area continues to be among the most functional within its segment, catering effectively to small families and individuals with active lifestyles. Powering the 2026 model is an enhanced iteration of Toyota's dependable engine lineup. Although final specifications may differ by region, expectations indicate a refined 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine generating approximately 169 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque, coupled with a continuously variable transmission optimized for gentler acceleration. Hybrid variants are expected to persist, providing an optimal combination of dynamic performance and outstanding fuel economy, potentially exceeding 20 km/h under varied driving conditions. Front-wheel drive continues to be the standard configuration, with all-wheel drive offered as an option for customers seeking improved traction. Acceleration should be sufficient for routine daily travel, with a maximum speed approaching 185 km/h and handling characteristics that are reliable and suitable for urban and highway environments. On the technological front, the Corolla Cross incorporates Toyota Safety Sense alongside more sophisticated driver assistance systems. These features encompass adaptive cruise control, advanced lane keeping assist, upgraded autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera on higher trims. Connectivity features encompass cloud-based services, over-the-air updates, and customizable driving modes that modify throttle response and steering characteristics. Speculation indicates that Toyota is also evaluating enhanced hybrid battery systems and potentially a mild electric assist for upcoming updates, although official confirmation has yet to be issued. The discussion centers on Toyota's efforts to enhance efficiency while maintaining affordability. Competition arises from vehicles such as the Honda HR-V, Mazda CX-30, and Hyundai Kona, all of which provide compelling design and sophisticated features. Nevertheless, the Corolla Cross distinguishes itself through its enduring dependability, minimal operational expenses, and well-rounded performance. Estimated pricing is anticipated to commence at approximately $28,000 to $32,000 USD, contingent upon market conditions and trim level. The intended audience comprises young professionals, small families, and prospective purchasers in search of a reliable compact SUV with contemporary design. In summary, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is ideally tailored for drivers who prioritize dependability, functionality, and fuel-efficient performance within an elegant contemporary design. With enhanced features, a refined interior, and Toyota's well-established reputation for durability, it continues to be an attractive choice with promising future prospects in the compact crossover market. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross upholds Toyota's enduring strategy of producing practical, versatile, and globally attractive vehicles that integrate smoothly into the daily routines of millions. As crossovers continue to be among the most rapidly expanding segments in the automotive industry, Toyota seeks to reinforce its market presence through a redesigned and more refined Corolla Cross. Positioned above the Toyota Rays and below the Toyota RAV4, the Corolla Cross caters to drivers seeking a compact SUV that is efficient, comfortable, dependable, and maneuverable in both urban and suburban settings. The 2026 model is anticipated to enhance this formula through greater refinement, advanced technology, and a more distinctive design approach that aligns with contemporary industry trends and consumer preferences. Within the highly competitive compact crossover segment, vehicles are expected to deliver exceptional value, contemporary design, and functional interior space. The 2026 Corolla Cross advances into this market with an emphasis on gradual evolution rather than radical overhaul. Toyota has dedicated decades to refining the formula for everyday vehicles, and this model is no exception. With increasing demand for hybrid powertrains, advanced safety features, and connectivity options, the Corolla Cross is engineered to appeal to a diverse customer base, including first-time vehicle purchasers, families seeking a dependable secondary vehicle, and retirees looking for a comfortable and efficient SUV. Its position in the global market remains robust, and the 2026 update is intended to broaden its allure even further. The market for compact crossovers is highly competitive, featuring prominent contenders such as the Honda HR-V, Mazda CX-30, Hyundai Kona, and Kia Seltos. Each provides distinctive advantages. However, Toyota's strategy with the Corolla Cross has consistently emphasized practicality, comfort, and enduring reliability. The 2026 model aims to elevate standards by emphasizing cutting-edge technology, enhanced interior materials, and innovative styling elements that ensure the vehicle remains visually pertinent. While competitors tend to favor more sporty or futuristic designs, the Corolla Cross adopts a balanced, sophisticated aesthetic that appeals to a broad demographic. The exterior design of the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross draws inspiration from Toyota's latest design language, blending sleek surfaces with striking accents and enhanced aerodynamic performance. At first impression, the revised front fascia presents a more sophisticated and contemporary appearance, featuring streamlined LED headlights that seamlessly blend into the upper grille line. The headlamps are anticipated to exhibit more refined contours, incorporating daytime running lights that establish a distinctive visual identity. Toyota designers seem to have prioritized enhancing the vehicle's road presence while preserving the accessible character that Corolla models are renowned for. The grille design is expected to undergo a minor modification, featuring a more pronounced frame and a broader lower opening to enhance airflow and facilitate engine cooling. Although it will not exhibit the boldness of the RAV4 or the angularity of the CHR, the Corolla Cross will maintain a well-balanced appearance that avoids extremes. The grille texture may be modified with a new mesh pattern or horizontal slat configuration, depending on the trim level. Chrome accents are anticipated to remain understated in order to maintain a contemporary and streamlined appearance. Along the sides, the body features refined contouring intended to enhance both aerodynamic performance and aesthetic harmony. The character line extending from the front fenders to the rear taillights imparts a sense of forward momentum to the Corolla Cross, even when stationary. Slightly more pronounced tire arches enhance a more robust stance, aligning with the SUV's overall design. Wheel diameters are anticipated to vary from 17 to 19 inches depending on the trim level, featuring new wheel designs that prioritize elegance over sportiness. Toyota frequently introduces revised alloy wheel designs with each generational update, and the 2026 model is expected to feature a sophisticated multi-spoke pattern for upper trim levels. Color options are expected to encompass traditional Toyota hues such as super white, silver metallic, black mica, and celestite gray. Trend-focused colors such as urban blue, scarlet metallic, or earth brown may also be incorporated into the palette to appeal to a younger demographic. Toyota has progressively broadened its range of colors in recent years, particularly for hybrid models, and as a result, the Corolla Cross Hybrid may feature exclusive color options or accent bundles. Aerodynamic improvements consist of a meticulously designed front bumper, streamlined side panels, and a rear spoiler seamlessly incorporated into the roofline. The rear design is anticipated to retain a sleek and practical appearance, featuring horizontally extending LED taillights to accentuate width. The tailgate design emphasizes functionality, featuring a broad aperture to facilitate the loading of cargo. Toyota may also enhance the design of the tailgate surface to minimize turbulence and wind disturbance. Overall, the exterior design of the 2026 Corolla Cross achieves a harmonious blend of innovative detailing and recognizable contours. It eschews polarizing features while presenting a contemporary vehicle that appears appropriate whether stationed in an urban environment or traveling through suburban neighborhoods. Inside, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross features a markedly enhanced interior that emphasizes comfort, advanced technology, and ample space. A primary objective of this update seems to be enhancing the perceived quality of the interior while maintaining the price within this segment's anticipated range. Toyota has probably refined the dashboard design by incorporating sleeker lines, superior materials, and a more unified configuration that aligns with recent Toyota models such as the new Prius or Corolla sedan. The dashboard is anticipated to feature a layered design incorporating soft-touch materials and sophisticated stitching patterns on higher embellishments. The center console features a redesigned infotainment display which presumably measures between 10 and 12 inches depending on the model. Toyota's newest multimedia interface offers enhanced responsiveness, sharper visuals, and superior connectivity, including built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard features. The screen is positioned slightly elevated to enhance visibility and reduce eye movement during driving. The instrument cluster may incorporate an entirely digital display on mid to high trim levels, providing customizable layouts for speed, navigation, driving modes, and efficiency metrics. Toyota has been progressively deploying digital instrument clusters throughout its lineup, and the 2026 Corolla Cross is anticipated to incorporate this advancement. Seat comfort has consistently been a hallmark of Toyota vehicles, and the new Corolla Cross seeks to elevate this aspect even further. The front seats are ergonomically contoured, featuring supportive cushioning, adjustable lumbar support, and optional power adjustments. Fabric upholstery is provided as standard, with leather or premium synthetic leather available for higher specification levels. Toyota is expected to introduce new interior color options including black-gray dual tones, caramel brown for higher-end customizations, and light beige to create a more spacious and airy cabin ambience. The rear passenger area continues to be one of the Corolla Cross's key advantages, offering generous legroom and headroom, thus making it well-suited for families or ride-sharing purposes. The posterior seats may feature a reclining mechanism to enhance comfort. Cabin materials have been enhanced, featuring door panels with superior cushioning, upgraded armrests, and refined surface textures. Cargo capacity is anticipated to remain ample, featuring a flat-loading surface and practical stowage compartments throughout the interior. The rear seats are capable of folding in a 60-40 ratio, thereby increasing the already practical cargo space for larger items. Toyota may also incorporate underfloor compartments for tools or small items. Ambient illumination may be incorporated into specific trims, enhancing a sense of modernity and refinement. A climate control system is anticipated to include dual-zone functionality, equipped with effective air vents and enhanced air purification capabilities. Noise insulation has probably been enhanced through the use of sturdier glass, improved door seals, and superior sound-absorbing materials. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross will persist in providing multiple powertrain options with a pronounced focus on hybrid technology. Toyota's global strategy is focused on electrification, and the Corolla Cross Hybrid has established itself as one of the most favored models across numerous markets. For 2026, enhancements in efficiency, more refined performance, and a marginal increase in power output are anticipated. The standard gasoline engine is expected to be a 2.0-liter four-cylinder unit, generating approximately 169 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque. This engine, combined with a continuously variable transmission, provides reliable acceleration suitable for urban commuting and delivers smooth performance on highways. Although not intended for high-speed excitement, it emphasizes dependability, fuel efficiency, and minimal maintenance. A hybrid model will continue to be a focal point. The 1.8-liter or 2.0-liter hybrid system is anticipated to generate a combined output of approximately 190 to 200 horsepower, contingent upon market calibration. This hybrid system delivers robust, low-end torque due to the immediate response of the electric motor, rendering it more dynamic than the gasoline-only variant. Fuel efficiency is expected to enhance, potentially achieving values approximately between 5.0 and 5.5 liters/100 kilometers, contingent upon driving conditions. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers/ is approximately 9 seconds for the hybrid model and approximately 10.5 seconds for the combustion variant. Although these figures may not captivate performance enthusiasts, they fulfill the expectations of the majority of purchasers within this segment. Maximum speed is anticipated to be electronically restricted to approximately 180 kilometers/8. Front-wheel drive continues to be the standard configuration, whereas all-wheel drive may be offered for hybrid models equipped with an electric rear motor to enhance traction. The all-wheel drive system improves stability in slick conditions without substantially affecting fuel economy. Suspension tuning endeavors to achieve an optimal equilibrium between ride comfort and vehicular stability. The Corolla Cross has traditionally prioritized a seamless and refined driving experience over sporty handling, and the 2026 model is expected to uphold this tradition. The steering response is anticipated to be smooth yet accurately responsive, facilitating effortless maneuverability within confined urban settings. Toyota's commitment to sophisticated safety systems remains unwavering, and the 2026 Corolla Cross is anticipated to feature the most recent Toyota Safety Sense package. This encompasses features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, cyclist detection, and traffic sign recognition. Enhancements in software and sensor precision will improve efficacy in real-world applications. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, the 360-degree camera system, and parking sensors may be included on upper trim levels. Toyota may also enhance the automatic parking assist system to improve its smoothness and intuitiveness. Connectivity features encompass over-the-air software updates, enhanced smartphone integration, multiple USB-C connections, wireless charging, and potentially integration with Toyota's cloud-based navigation services. Voice recognition is also expected to advance through enhancements in natural language processing capabilities. Driving modes may encompass eco, normal, and sport configurations. Hybrid models may include an EV mode enabling limited short-distance electric-only driving at moderate speeds. These driving modes modify throttle responsiveness, steering feedback, and transmission dynamics to accommodate driver preferences. Industry experts indicate that Toyota is likely to unveil the 2026 Corolla Cross, featuring discrete yet significant enhancements as evidenced by teaser images or initial prototypes. Reports suggest enhancements in battery performance for the hybrid variant and the introduction of a new infotainment system featuring more sophisticated imagery and increased customization capabilities. Some speculate about a mild hybrid turbocharged variant, however, this remains less certain at present. Leaks indicating minor modifications to the front bumper design and wheel patterns suggest a visual update rather than a comprehensive redesign. Early prototype mules observed on the road corroborate this hypothesis, exhibiting camouflage primarily around the front and rear fascia. Against competitors such as the Honda HR-V, Mazda CX-30, Hyundai Kona, and Kia Seltos, the 2026 Corolla Cross establishes itself as the most practical and dependable choice. The Honda HR-V provides somewhat sportier handling, the Mazda CX-30 features a more upscale interior ambience, and the Hyundai Kona presents a more juvenile design with advanced technological features. However, Toyota's advantages include its capacious interior, smooth driving experience, hybrid fuel efficiency, and long-lasting durability. Buyers seeking a versatile and reliable compact SUV will find the Corolla Cross to be an appealing choice. The anticipated price of the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is projected to commence at approximately $27,000 to $29,000 USD for the gasoline version, with hybrid variants priced between $30,000 and $34,000 USD, depending on the specification level and optional features. This pricing positions it competitively within the compact SUV segment while providing considerable value through its integration of reliability, advanced technology, and comfort. Toyota aims to appeal to a diverse demographic with this model, encompassing young professionals, small families, retirees, and individuals seeking an efficient and practical crossover. Its smooth performance, hybrid fuel efficiency, and minimal maintenance expenses are highly attractive to long-term purchasers who emphasize value and dependability. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is a sophisticated, functional, and contemporary compact crossover that seamlessly combines comfort, advanced technology, and efficiency into a well-rounded offering. It does not seek to excel in athletic performance or in ultra-luxurious features. Instead, it performs exceptionally well as a reliable daily vehicle that provides precisely what the majority of drivers require. With enhanced design details, a more refined interior, upgraded infotainment technology, advanced safety features, and dependable hybrid performance, the Corolla Cross establishes itself as a leading option in the compact crossover segment. This vehicle is ideally suited for drivers who place the highest importance on practicality, fuel economy, and dependability. Whether employed for daily commuting, household duties, or leisure excursions, it provides a comfortable and pleasurable driving experience. As Toyota advances its electrification strategy, the Corolla Cross is anticipated to remain a key element of the company's global portfolio, appealing to a broad demographic and establishing a solid foundation for the future of compact SUVs. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is introduced at a critical juncture in the global automotive industry, where compact crossovers have emerged as one of the most prominent and rapidly expanding segments. Over the past decade, consumer preferences have shifted toward vehicles that combine practicality, comfort, efficiency, and an elevated driving position without the size or fuel consumption typically associated with larger SUVs. Toyota recognized this opportunity through the launch of the Corolla Cross, a model that serves as a conduit between the Corolla sedan and the RAV4. Now, with the 2026 version, Toyota seems prepared to enhance the vehicle through greater refinement, advanced technology, increased efficiency, and a more prominent visual presence. Positioned as a compact crossover tailored for urban families, young professionals, and budget-conscious consumers seeking Toyota dependability combined with crossover functionality, the 2026 Corolla Cross offers a contemporary solution for global markets seeking versatility and upscale features within a compact footprint. As competition intensifies with the introduction of new or revised models from Honda, Mazda, Nissan, Hyundai, and Kia, Toyota recognizes the necessity of updating the design and engineering of one of its most significant global offerings. The 2026 Corolla Cross is anticipated to incorporate aspects of Toyota's new design philosophy, which emphasizes the development of dynamic, emotionally compelling vehicles featuring streamlined aerodynamic contours, distinctive illumination signatures, and interiors crafted with higher quality materials and more intuitive technological features. Early reports from the automotive industry and speculative renderings indicate that Toyota intends to position the model with a more upscale posture while maintaining the well-known practicality that has contributed to its success since its introduction. On the exterior, the 2026 Corolla Cross maintains the tradition of presenting a clean, accessible, and subtly robust appearance, while incorporating more refined sculptural details and a contemporary interpretation of Toyota's latest crossover design language. The body design features more refined contours along the sides and enhanced character lines to introduce greater depth and visual tension to the profile. The front fascia is anticipated to depart from the more conservative appearance of earlier Corolla Cross models, adopting a sharper, more assertive design characterized by a wider, more prominent grille treatment. Depending on the trim level, this grille may feature a mesh-style pattern on sporty variants and a horizontal slat design on more refined trims. Toyota engineers may also decrease grille apertures in hybrid models to enhance aerodynamics and optimize airflow efficiency. The illumination design constitutes another important aspect of the 2026 model. Streamlined LED headlamps are anticipated to confer a more refined and sophisticated character to the crossover. Daytime running lights will extend along the margins in a distinctive L-shaped or boomerang-style pattern, emphasizing width and visibility on the road. The rear design adheres to a comparable philosophy. The taillights are purported to be entirely integrated with an LED light beam spanning the tailgate, aligning with contemporary Toyota design trends observed in models such as the Crown and the latest Prius. The rear bumper may feature a more streamlined appearance with minimal cladding, while sport-oriented variants might include a diffuser-style lower section to enhance a more dynamic aesthetic. Wheel design is essential in defining the overall posture of the model. The 2026 Corolla Cross is anticipated to feature rims measuring from 17 to 19 inches, contingent upon the specific variant. Redesigned alloy wheel patterns featuring turbine-inspired and split-spoke designs should establish a distinctive identity for each specification level. Color options are expected to broaden to encompass several new metallic and pearl finishes such as deeper blues, more vibrant reds, and natural hues that attract families and contemporary urban motorists. Aerodynamic improvements, including redesigned mirror housings, a more inclined windshield, refined roof spoilers, and enhanced underbody paneling, not only enhance fuel efficiency but also promote a quieter interior environment and increased overall stability at elevated velocities. Entering the vehicle, the 2026 Corolla Cross features an interior that exudes greater refinement and sophistication than previous models. Toyota has been advancing its interior design language towards sleeker lines, broader dashboards, and the incorporation of more premium materials, even in its compact models. This approach extends to the new Corolla Cross, creating an interior that appears more refined than its price range might indicate. The dashboard layout is anticipated to feature a horizontal orientation that visually expands the interior space while conveying a contemporary, streamlined appearance. Soft-touch materials will extend across the upper dashboard, while options such as cloth, leatherette, or genuine leather embellishments will be available depending on the configuration. A sizable central touchscreen, approximately between 10.5 and 12.3 inches, will be conspicuously positioned on the dashboard with a floating-style configuration. Toyota's newest infotainment system will feature wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and enhanced voice recognition capabilities. Higher trims may include built-in navigation systems, cloud-based services, and improved connectivity features. Below the central display, the climate control panel will feature a streamlined layout incorporating more tactile switches than earlier iterations to enhance usability during driving. Seating comfort remains a priority for Toyota in this segment, and the 2026 model is expected to feature enhanced cushioning, superior lumbar support, and redesigned seat structures for both front and rear occupants. The driver's seat may provide up to 8-way power adjustments, with optional memory configurations available. Rear passengers will experience improved seat recline angles and marginally increased legroom if the wheelbase undergoes the modest extension anticipated by numerous automotive analysts. Enhancements in material quality will be evident throughout the cabin. Entry-level trims may feature upgraded fabric upholstery and matte finish plastics, while higher trims might include soft leatherette or leather seating surfaces, brushed metallic elements, and optional ambient lighting. Door panels will feature additional padded sections to enhance comfort, and sound insulation throughout the cabin is expected to be enhanced to provide a more tranquil driving environment. Cargo capacity continues to be a primary attribute of the Corolla Cross, and the 2026 model will persist in providing ample space for luggage, grocery bags, and travel essentials. Toyota's adaptable cargo floor configuration, foldable rear seats, and expansive tailgate opening will attract families and consumers with active lifestyles. Under the chassis, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is anticipated to persist in providing a blend of gasoline and hybrid powertrain options. The gasoline engine is likely to continue as a 2.0-liter four-cylinder, calibrated to provide marginally enhanced performance and efficiency. The output is anticipated to be within the range of 170 to 180 horsepower, accompanied by torque figures approximately between 150 and 155 pound-feet. Acceleration should be moderate yet sufficient for everyday travel, with a 0 to 100 km/ time approximately in the mid-9-second range. The maximum pace is expected to remain approximately 180 km/h, appropriate for urban and suburban environments.